Hello guys, welcome to A3 Tech Gadget once again. Today I'm coming in with another unboxing of a top brand in the mobile industry. Before we go into the device, kindly make sure you subscribe if you are new here and don't forget to hit the notification bell so as to get notified each time we upload a new video. And at the end of this video, if you enjoy what you see, if you enjoy what you heard, kindly leave a thumbs up. This will serve as a form of encouragement for the channel to keep pushing out content. Thank you very much. Let's get into it. Okay guys, we are going to be unboxing two items today. The first is an all 360 pouch for protecting the phone we're unboxing. I don't want you to see the phone, so it's an alt 360 degree. You can see that. Okay, so let's put that aside. Then the main event. Okay, you see that this is the Note 10 Plus, Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G version. There is a 4G version to that, but this is the 5G version. This is the 5G version. You can see it's a brand new sealed one. You can see the precision of the line. These are the little things you know that you're not buying fake. You can see the precision of the line. That's Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which is the 5G version. So these UE means it's produced for the United States. That's that color. We have the color white. Okay, that's that. Then we have some information on the back. Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G 256 GB. That too stands for duals, which means it supports two SIM. You can use two different carriers on this phone. It's GSM unlock. In subsequent video, I'll be speaking about the difference between GSM unlock, chip unlock, and factory unlock. Why you should never stay with a chip unlock phone or a worldwide unlock phone. It's very risky. The least you should go for is a GSM unlock or a factory unlock if you can afford it. Okay, here I have to look for something to tear this line on down, so I'm sure I'm doing it rightly. Okay. Okay, we just need to get the line off. We really don't need that. What we need is the phone. What we need is the phone. Okay. Okay. Oh, I forgot. There's another seal. Do not accept if seal is broken. Sealed package. That's from Samsung to you. Oh, I hope Nigerian referees will not sue me for this, for using one of their cards to do this. Okay. What are we seeing? Are we seeing a pen first? Because this pen image is really centralized. Wow, wow, wow. So we are meeting the phone first. Okay. I'm kind of curious. Looking at the top cover, there is something hanging in here. So I'll try to see if I can get it out. Okay, I believe this is the housing for the manual and the SIM tray remover. This should be here. Okay, you know I said that this is a quick start guide about the phone. This is just like introducing your phone to you. It's a quick manual, so I thought as much. This is the manual, so I'll be putting this aside. Okay, the business of the day. Okay, that's the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G version. 5G version. Okay, it comes in a liner. This is the phone. Oh, this is white. This is my first time of seeing this actually. Okay, we're putting this inside. Okay, Samsung. Oh, that's beautiful. Then we have a charger. Whoa, that's amazing. Type C to Type C. This will be super fast. Can you see that? This is a Type C charger. Okay, I believe this is a earpiece, wired earpiece by AKG Sound. It all comes in white. Then this the cable, which is Type C to Type C. You can see that easily. You can see it's a 2 Type C end cable. What else? What is in this? Oh, this is OTG. It comes with virtually every Samsung phone. If your phone is brand new, you need to see this inside. So I'll be putting it back. Okay, I hope I can really get the way they assemble this back. Oh, it has some kind of smell. I think brand new smell. Okay, so that's done. Then the phone is here. Wow, that's amazing. Let's see what the phone looks like. Wow. It's a glass housing. The back is glass. You can feel it. Wow, it's really cool and nice. So the pouch I showed you earlier is for this phone, and we'll also see how effective it's gonna protect this phone. So for the meantime, I'll be putting the phone aside before I even powering it on. Let me quickly unbox the pouch. As you can see, it's already stated on the pack that for Galaxy Note 10 Plus, strictly for Note 10 Plus, is from Beast Tech. They are really doing something great in the pouch industry, in the protective case industry. I think I really like this. Let's see what's inside the carton. Okay, it comes in a nice package. Oh, that's amazing. Okay, this is just an housing. So inside this we have this is a 360 pouch, which is transparent. We have an hanger. Okay, I believe these are the installation kits. Wow, that's nice. A caution button. So what do you think about this kind of pouch? My belief is this: it's gonna make your phone heavy and a little bit bigger, because that's what Armor pouch does. And they're actually nice. They give your phone maximum protection. You will not want to spend over $200 on replacing a screen for just a phone. So it's advisable if you can get one of these. They have variety of these products. You'll be protecting your phone for a very long time. back to the phone. It has a nice texture. Feel it. Nice texture. Wow, that's amazing. Okay, it has a stylus pen too. You can see the edges. It has a curved edge, so smooth and precise. This is the SIM tray, and this is 12 gig RAM. You will love this. You would want to hold this. Well, without taking much of your time, this comes to an end of today's unboxing. In my next video, I'll be sharing you my thoughts and experience about Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget, if you had like one or two things you had today, kindly hit the thumbs up. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.